say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same. I just wanna rock, body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Set up, fuck, you won't kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't do my side. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, go up to 5. That's my high.
Project, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
That shit hurting.
I'm like the loop, I'm out of ways. Oh, stay out the way.
Got another shot on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, Lowski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows. I need you to get the fuck on my space. The basement's on the way, please don't play. That pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need a new drink, cold up, don't change. And I ain't making love no more. Got a new what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving soft, it's calling on my face. I don't know how to reach me every time that it pays in my eyes at the night. I committed a crime.
How's your aunt?
Hey guys, it's Ryann Dezarae. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by the title, today was a productive good morning with me. So yeah, but I'm about to go eat breakfast, y'all, because I need to eat before I go to school, which I rarely do, but like if I have time I will. But first of all, I need to pack my bag, and I made a vlog that's saying thank you already, but I don't know which one is gonna come out first. So I'm so thankful. Thank you guys for almost 500 subscribers and 400 subscribers, because yes, that was my ultimate goal before my birthday. So thank y'all so much, and I love y'all, and let's continue to grow. But I'm about to pack my bag. I'm on a short time frame, not gonna lie to y'all. These chips in my bag, and I'm wearing this purse. But let's go eat breakfast, y'all, before it's too late and I'm not gonna be able to do it no more. Do not mind that mess, y'all. We had one shopping today and eating and stuff, and it's just all the stuff left on the table. So I got some bologna and cheese. And there's some bread. So I'm about to make me a grilled cheese sandwich. They're the bomb. And I'm only gonna eat one because I don't know about y'all, but I can't really digest stuff in the morning like that for real. Cause you know my body not used to it. Cause like I only eat in the morning like certain days out the week. Cause I be in a rush most of the time. So if I do that, it's rare. I don't know about y'all, but I just be doing this. I'm about to show you. Oh! Ah, the ghetto!
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
About to pack my lunch. So I got these. My favorite Hershey bar. And these like for snacks. I mean they all snacks, but I eat them at different times. If you know, you know. Give me a water bottle. I just realized that I don't match it up. White socks, black pants, and I'm about to put on orange shoes. Well, shoes are white enough, but let me eat this so I can. I ain't get to know the room though.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless.
Yeah, I'm about to put these shoes on. You probably don't think they match, but I have a uniform for these. It's just that I didn't want to keep putting my uniform shirt on here that much. But my uniform shirt is in my video, every single video, and I'm not allowed to do that. But I'm about to put these on. But y'all, I'm about to go to school now. It's time to go.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the one, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You bluffed on them, and we mad because you let me know. If it ain't fucked up.
Once you have your grade, go ahead and put your phone away.
Did you say that because I don't know?
You stop vlogging right now.